Y'all eating good in the hood. I'm over here in Morrow and I swung by Mojo's, and today I'm trying some Buffalo Gold, Western Ranch, and chicken fried rice with a little bit of blue cheese for sure. All right, I'm gonna try this on chicken fried rice real quick. They put a good little amount of chicken in here too. It's pretty good. It's just like all the other little chicken fried rice you have everywhere, you know, about average. Let's see what some soy sauce will do for it. Maybe a little bit better. It ain't all that, but it's pretty good though. On a 1 to 10, I guess about a 7. The texture of the rice is pretty good too. It's not all hard and sticky too. Now let's try this Buffalo Gold chicken wings. It's real saucy, real messy. Man, this is good. They got some with this flavor. It's real tangy. I guess it's supposed to be hot, but you know, they can't mess with me though. You know what I'm saying? The chicken's a little overcooked. That's the only problem I have with it. Other than that, it's damn near perfect. On a 1 to 10, I give it an 8. Now we're gonna try this Western Ranch. It's kind of the same color as the one I just ate, the Buffalo Gold. All right, let's see what it do. Nah. That's pretty nasty. I'm sorry, I can't do that one. That sauce is like some shit I never even tasted before, so I don't even know what to tell you how it tastes. Besides nasty. Like I said, the chicken's overcooked and the wings are too small. They got some with this Buffalo Gold, but this Western Ranch, no, I can't get with it. Sorry. On a 1 to 10, I give it a 2. As in 2 fingers, I'm out.